Oh, there's like fucking 30 people in here, and we're still the highest levels. Okay. Quite a bit. By quite a bit. Hmm. My gun on single? Fuck no. I never put this gun on fucking fully automatic. I don't know why it doesn't change. Why change? Just leave it there. It doesn't even go fully automatic. That'd be something broken with it. Improper weapon. Yeah, fire hot, dude. Yeah. I forgot everything about this game somehow. How do you talk? That one, okay. Yep. Oh, what the fuck? How did I get flashed? Where?
Very, very great. Some Palacios has the pace to catch up.
What the fuck killed me?
I'm reloading.
You're down there. You can't see dead chat, man. And he was shooting people when you raided, apparently.
Cover me, goddammit! Over there!
I'd be careful behind you. Why is this guy just laying there? What level was that, man? Level 44, okay. No, the one laying there died, didn't he? He did. I'm guessing he was level 21. If he didn't leave. That guy calls you a terrorist and left. I hope you know this. He said, brother, you're a terrorist. Leave. Like, okay then. Get him twisted, niggas. Don't do it. Every time I pick up something, I die. It's kind of bad. Fucking nose. Jesus Christ. The hell. I hit the wrong button. I switched my gun to. Okay. That's why we don't play automatic. I got you. I understand now. Oh, I forgot this gun has a shitty ass fucking sight. I'm going back to the M16 until I get a better fucking. Nope. I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. I is not doing it, baby. Not doing it. Not gonna do it. It is not being done. The hell kind of cough is that? Man, it's scaring me. I'm about out of ammo already. Alright. Nobody's even watching my fucking right. Really? God damn it. I hate these fucking people. I reload.
With you high in the furthest mountains, Raven. If you're on the other side of the world.
Literally no scoped that man's skull off his face. That was crazy. That guy too, actually. I aimed at him though. He wish I had a laser sight and it was ready or not, so I can do the sideways aiming shit. Give me a way better. 'Cause I'm fighting up close right now. What do you mean, sir? You're not even in my flashlight. What are you talking about? Come out. Sir. Come out. Don't hide. I will come after you, sir. Be a little bitch. Finally. Could have been the dick. Right in the dick. Ah, glorious. Glorious. Okay, cool. Good shit, good shit, good shit. Why did it tell me I couldn't have that one? What the fuck? What did the fuck inside? There it is. Shit, I got 2 times. Oh, I can actually get a ammo carrier. Fuck yeah. Authorized thing comes with Bob Bod. I was like, why am I stuck on the table? What the fuck? Yeah, apparently this rifle is the new
Friendly fire! Friendly fire!
new military's weapon.
What is wrong with you? Station.
AR 7090.
You need to fire explosive rounds on this target. You got it.
Yeah, the server's like having a fucking fit, dude. The guy who did that to you is also walking in place. So, what?
New mag in. Hey,
Your long journey was not in vain.
How is it a stalemate? What the fuck is happening? Fuck out of here.
I'm reloading.
Did he die?
Don't touch your hair.
Yeah, I figured.
There's
Okay.
something more than the price.
Don't start again, Hankin. The bridal price is 5 tomatoes.
Or a woman is so skinny.
Hey, I'm gonna load up.
I don't got ammo.
Should I stab him for you?
It's a steep price, but I'll take her.
Loading.
You're buying more than you're buying an ally. And half the moon, I'll return to her. She'll obey. You'll see.
Okay. Relax, we got this. Okay, let's do it. Okay. I need a radio, guys. I'm green. green to green, dude. Let's go. Come on, dude. Just tell me. Okay, ready.
I swear we played with Epoch before. If somebody watched this fucking door right here, it wouldn't be nearly as hard, guys. Like, I swear. Epoch. We watched Epoch before. When Epoch is not watching. He's starting nodding at me.
This target. Station. This is observer. Requesting
Good work.
explosive rounds.
I always step out on you.
Oh yeah, please drop mortars when I'm trying to shoot this fucking man in the face because he's got the speck of forehead that I can see. And God forbid he could shoot me in the face, but I can't see enough for him to do it to see him. Because he is a pixel god, because he's actually a machine. That man died. That mortar somehow killed that man. Okay. Oh, Epoch died. I wouldn't stand at the door. There you go. Why do they all move so fucking much? Just hold a goddamn angle. There's fucking 4 people up here and they're all looking at the same fucking door but running back and forth in front of each other.
The Romans have the upper hand, and I don't need to remind you of that. Indeed, you don't suggest this. The mother of the city speak on my right.
Still feel safe in my right. Jesus fucking Christ. What? You wouldn't a suicide bomber? Oh. I got ran up and made the fucking beeping noise, I thought. That scared the shit out of me. I don't know what I'm gonna go with. That's it.
You're the right.
Drum mag. Drum mag will be okay. I should. Yeah, drum mag, fuck it.
Green to green, dude. Let's go.
The Romans.
Come on, okay. Yeah.
Just a sec. Reloading. Yeah. Good to go.
We have to decide tonight. Will we let the Romans
I can't even tell them that anymore. They might be on console.
fight back?
Look, hit the start button. You'll go back to the box. I don't know what the fuck their controls are.
Come on. We ain't got all day.
Our support.
What are you humming about?
I need explosive artillery right
I need
here.
common
Station. This is observer. We
Oh,
need
the
an
damn
explosive
cattle.
Oh.
Take that back, Captain.
What happened to everybody else? Ooh, that was a nasty headshot, dude. I don't know why you didn't die. I seen his fucking head rock sideways. Alright, you pixel peeking bitch. If I was an inch taller, you piece of shit.
Even more overfed Romans. I say enough's enough. I say we
What? Yeah, he learned his lesson. Good man. Good man. He heard mortars, he ran the fuck away and hit the other corner. Even though that was our mortar. God, he fucking ran away. Okay, you don't know who the fuck that was. Yeah, cause the bitch ran. He could have shot him in the chest, but no, he ran. And of course, he was dead in the middle of the doorway, so the guy could see him before I could see the guy. God damn it. Piece of shit. That pisses me off. That was Epoch's fault. Or Eviscerate. I think Eviscerate took out me and Epoch with that. Because Epoch was in the other corner. He was a smart man. With the mortars coming in, he ran the fuck away. I think it's literally on you, pretty much. There's another guy, but... Oh, he's actually leading, so... He's leading by quite a bit. I think it's because he's the only one on PC there for a while.
Hello? Hey!
Nope, you're alone.
You're in trouble now, asshole! On your knees! Get down! You're in trouble now, asshole! On the ground now! Got a scary motherfucker right here! Spread the fuck out!
Hello? Hello. I was trying to tell you I couldn't see anybody on the stairs, but I've been talking to you for a while. No. I probably won't be in my store too much longer. Going to the one at Country Club Road for GMIT training.
Report me to the right.
No, didn't get the job at that store. No, they like talking to me. Scott said they love talking to me. I don't know enough about the job to get it. I'm like, yeah, I told him that. I agree with that. He's like, well, good. We're gonna bring you to Kate's store because she wants to train you, and you'll have 12 months of training if you need it. And then Travis wants to step down at the old store I worked at and welcome. So you'd be perfect for that job. I'm like, oh yeah, actually that sounds great. That'd be perfect. I got pissed the fuck off today. Yeah, because the fucking store was a mess when I came in, and I worked hard as fuck yesterday trying to make it look decent and get ready for the truck today. And I texted Scott like, hey, you need to call me. I got some problems I'm gonna discuss. I'm tired of this fucking store using me. I'm doing the GM job, and I'm not getting paid GM money. And he's like, well, why ain't everybody else doing it? Like, because Felicia don't know the fucking job, and I'm standing right in front of Felicia while I'm talking to him. Like, no, like, nothing against Felicia at all. She just don't know the job, and she's over like, yeah, I don't know the job. Fucking jeez. And he's like, I just fell over dead. I just fell over dead, but whatever. But yeah, and he's like, well, I agree, but this hold in for a little bit longer, have a GM by a week. I'm sorry I can't help out. I'm in Orlando, but they want you at Country Club. I'm like, okay, sounds good. Because I was honest with them. Like, I don't know the job. Like, I don't know how to do the GM shit. I barely know the RPP job. They have no training. I just figured that shit out. Yeah, I'm pretty good at it. Then I asked him, like, what's gonna happen to this store? Because I don't want to just leave it and be a fucking bunch of chaos for these people. And he's like, oh, right there. That's all I needed to hear. It's like, no, we're getting a GM there today. Well, no, like, in a week or two. And you can introduce them to all the commercial people before you go off to do training. I'm like, alright, sounds good then. That's fucking G's. I've spent a lot of time and effort getting these people to come back to this fucking store after Randy and Scott pissed them off the first time. Like, I actually go to these people's shops and sit down and talk to them. It's fucking crazy. And I ain't gonna fucking piss that away. And he's like, yeah, I know, because like they keep calling me and bothering me. I'm like, yeah, they tell me they do. So, yeah, what's happened with this? They're gonna be pissed off when I leave, though. They are still at work, goddamn texting. Are you for real, people? Leave me the fuck alone. It's a group chat, but like, fucking jeez. I told Skyler, man, you should have had somebody here like a week or two. Before Jordan went to this other store, because I feel like you're taking advantage of me. He's like, no, I don't want you to feel like that, man. I'm like, well, I do. So, But I had my mind made up. If he didn't call me back by 4 o'clock, I'm in my shift. I was gonna give my keys to Felicia. And, like, I fucking quit. Like, I'm just. I even text my dad, like, hey, if I don't hear anything good from this guy or he talks to me fucking weird, I'm just gonna come home. Like, I hate it. I don't. Like, you ain't. Nope. I can literally go anywhere and get a job. I died. What the fuck? How? I'm just inside talking to you. What the shit? I wasn't even in, like, firing anywhere. I was right up there on top of the fucking roof. Up the stairs right there behind that little fucking piece of wood is where I was. I just got murdered. From nowhere. I thought it was a friendly at first. I was like, what the shit?
Maybe the Romans look
But Scott talked pretty cool, and he's like, I agree with you, man, and I'm sorry to do it. I'm like, well, that's cool. At least he called me back also, so that makes a big difference. I mean, I'm trying to be cool with him because he is, at this point in time, my boss, but I've also threatened him with violence before in the past. I really have. He fucking laughed at me, thought I was joking about my goddamn money. I snatched him up by the collar in front of his boss and started pulling him outside. It got kind of serious then. He's like, "Oh, you're not joking? No, motherfucker. My goddamn money. You owe me $1,200. I'll beat your fucking ass." I got promoted the next day. It's fucking crazy, dude.
Where are you guys?
Yep, I watched your fish ray get fucking murdered nowhere near any point whatsoever. I'm looking through your rod. I can't see anything. Behind you. Left door.
Let's kick some ass.
Down.
Don't be stupid. Spread it out.
Yeah, he sure did. He sure as fuck did. He was like, "All right, bitchy man, come on, get some." Get ready to load and grip, I guess, because I need the bipod. I'm gonna get a 2x Scott, which leaves me with a point. So extended mag for the pistol. I should really get a flashlight. Yeah, I hate that bullshit. Mine's like, that's a big ass flashlight for this fucking pistol, too. It kinda does here, sorta. Motherfucker, just work the way I want you to. That was a pretty good airstrike. Except for, man, I couldn't see shit. They're like little fucking ninjas. They're all wearing black. That's a grenade bounce off the fucking wall. Oh shit. Who the fucking... Somebody threw that shit. Jesus Christ. That was so far away. I don't feel like you're as engaged in this conversation as I am, Payne. I know you're recording. You should be talking better. You ain't talking. You should. What?
Affirmative.
That's usually how it goes in real life with us too. Oh, I know. I noticed.
We're losing Delta, guys.
I noticed. You should just get like a Wi-Fi extender. I don't know how that. I'm sure it would help out some. I don't know. A fucking Ethernet cable would be the best. There's literally a guy right there just. That motherfucker waited and threw a grenade at him. He was like, "You see me, bitch? Hit you in the fucking face." God almighty. Okay. Okay.
He praises our efforts toward mutual friendship, but he's not satisfied.
Mm.
What's going on? Wait. Yes, just tell them to stop. We have nothing more to give you. You can't do that.
So I see people already.
Meaning is,
I mowed down like 10 people just walking out in the fucking street.
be careful. Rome is the forum, and that requires those big men
What the fuck? That guy's quick. No. People at work. Did they call in fucking smoke artillery? I don't either. I got night vision. Well, I figured for the price of my flashlight on my pistol and my flashlight on my rifle, I could just get night vision. I did. So I need my pistol sometimes, and it's fucking dark. What are you talking about? You're a waste of points. I don't see you doing shit. Just joking. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, everything's kind of whitish gray for me, so. I love when you can hear somebody shooting and see them what they're shooting at, and they miss like every goddamn shot, and you're just like, bap, and they die. Cause fucking reasons, I guess. I don't know. It's just, it's wild. There. This bright ass fucking flashlight in front of me. Go the fuck away. Thank you. Jesus Christ. Oh, he came back. Go the fuck away, dude. I like people at work. You can fuck off, please. Jesus Christ. It's literally goddamn 8:41. What the fuck are you talking about? I ain't paying any attention to it. Why? Well, they wait till the fucking fight started to run across to the fucking left. Oh. They're dead. Oh, Jay's couldn't find $375. Yeah. Now you see how it feels, motherfucker. Our police are stuck in the register. We need to change today, and she never sent nobody. Yeah, imagine if just counting the safe and you found out you're a few $100 short. And you're on in charge now, Chase. How you feel about that, bud? 'Cause it happens all the time when it's up to you, motherfucker. It's fucking crazy. Somebody's gonna watch this and be like, that fucking voice sounds familiar. I know who the fuck he is. They come fucking bother me at work.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, it's here. Well, I don't need the bot pod no more. Hmm. Hmm. What? It is you. What the fuck? You can just talk, man. Your voice actually works in this one now. Like V or something.
Contact south.
I think we go through this every time.
Down in the target area. Contact west.
That's why I always keep mine on the same buttons. Back mouse button. Except for I'm ready or not, because we don't ever talk to anybody in that game. I think I actually unbound it. One day we'll play multiplayer, maybe. What kind of multiplayer it has? If it's like PvP or PvE. Can you be the perk? That's what I'm thinking. Oh, somebody else has a flashlight. I was like, why is it so fucking bright over there? I cut my flashlight off. I'm like, it's still as bright. You got no more flashlight, don't you? That thing bright as shit, my dude. God, that dude took so many shots. I don't know. It's just gotta fucking move. I'm gonna shoot him by accident. I'm just gonna conveniently reload this time when those people are gonna run through and murder him. So. I guess he's trusting us to guard his left, or I don't know.
Yo, hey, I'm loading up.
He's a fool. We hardly guard each other sometimes, but I shot. I poured to the left at the last second. You deserve that. I seen that guy. I crouched. I was gonna let him kill him first. I was gonna rub him and smack him in the fist, but I didn't get a chance. I couldn't guard that door too well. That guy kept walking in front of me. But yeah, GG. Make him feel bad at the very end. Because for real, what the fuck are you doing, dude? Like, goddamn. You wasted 33 minutes of our time. Jeez. It's because you got 189 kills on me. Shit. Defeat, bitch. You lost.